Okay, on number 37, we are multiplying two binomials. So you can FOIL, and once you FOIL, you're going to get 16x to the fourth, because 4 times 4 is 16, x to the second times x to the second is x to the fourth. When I do my outside terms, that's going to give me a negative 20x to the third. When I do my inside terms, that's a positive 20x to the third. And when I do my last terms, that's going to give me a minus 25x to the second. Now notice you should anticipate your outer and inner canceling here, because if you look at the original problem, the only thing that's different is the sign in between the terms. So this will simplify to 16x to the fourth minus 25x to the second. So you have multiplied. And then what you just need to be careful for is don't factor it, because you're going to get what you started with. So if the problem says multiply, make sure you're multiplying and stop once you've simplified.